Hello, my name's Harrison and I work in the CisSandbox. Come visit us on the second floor of Smith behind the trading room if you have any further questions about this video, want help on your CS or IT course, or if you just want to check out virtual reality and any of the other cool stuff we have going on. In this video, we are going to be using Microsoft OneDrive, which is a cloud storage service Bentley offers to all of its students. Bentley gives us all 1 terabyte or 1,000 gigabytes of storage for us to use, which makes it very convenient to access all of your documents across multiple devices. If you open up File Explorer and go on to the left side, you should notice a directory labeled OneDrive, Bentley University. If this isn't here, that's a problem. You should probably come visit us in the sandbox. But this folder, basically anything saved in it will be uploaded to the cloud, and then you can access it on any of your devices, or any device in general. And just quickly, I will show you how to do that using an example document. We'll go down, open up Word, just type in hello, make it simple. And we're going to File, Save As. We're going to scroll down to Browse and look on the left-hand side for Microsoft OneDrive. And we'll just save the document in here. And what this does is it saves it onto your computer in this OneDrive folder, and it also syncs with the cloud server. So you'll be able to go online and see the file there. You can go on any computer, go online, and see the file. Mine's just taking a little while because my Wi-Fi is slow. And you can also eventually access it on your phone, which I'll get into later in this video. So we just have our hello document. We're going to open up Chrome. We're going to search OneDrive. Click on the first result. Go to the top right, hit sign in. You're going to type in your Bentley email with your short name. It's going to then redirect you. And my password did not work. That's not good. We'll put in the right one. It's going to put you through all of Bentley security. You can do whatever you want on this screen. This is just whatever for your email. So now we've successfully logged into Microsoft OneDrive, and this has all the same files and folders that the directory on the computer has. It's all up here in the cloud, and you can access this on any computer by typing in your password, your Bentley email and password. And right here is our hello document that we just typed on the computer. You can also access this document on your phone if you have the OneDrive app installed. So all you have to do is launch your App Store, Play Store, and yes, I know this is an Android, it is what it is, but it's the same idea. You just type in OneDrive and you'd hit install. Mine's already installed, so I don't have to redo that. You'd sign in with your Bentley EDU and everything and type in your password, but mine's already set up. So basically, if you look in here, this is identical to the directory on the computer and the one online, and we have our hello document right here. Simple as that. We can also transfer documents from our phone to online and the computer, which I'll show you with this picture. Well, all we do is hit share in the bottom left corner. We're going to scroll all the way over to OneDrive and hit the check mark in the top right. And it should be uploading. We'll check the status quick. And it should be good to go. We'll check it quickly on the phone. And then it's there. It should be. Yep, there it is. And we'll go to the computer. And it's loading. It's got that crazy long name. You can rename it if you want. Just right click. And yep, here it is. So this will be saved in the directory on your computer, or you can download it and put it wherever you want if you're transferring it to something else. Now before we wrap this up, we'll just go over one more thing. If you don't have the directory on your computer, you're using a public computer in the library or something, but you still want something saved in OneDrive, you can just upload directly to the website, and then it'll be on your phone, it'll be on your own laptop, everything. It'll be synced everywhere. So this one we'll just make goodbye. We're going to save as not in OneDrive. We're going to put it in just regular documents because theoretically this computer doesn't have OneDrive. And then we'll just drag it over. And it should be uploading. And we're good to go. So that concludes this video. Thank you for watching. Be sure to stop by the Sandbox if you have any more questions.